Welcome to Romantic, where we uncover the magic of travel. Today, we're diving into the captivating allure of Italy, a country that enchants millions of travelers each year. Ciao, wanderlust seekers. Italy is more than just a destination. It's an experience that ignites the senses and captures the heart. Here are a few reasons why you should pack your bags and head to Italy right now. Rich history and culture. Italy is a living museum where ancient ruins coexist with Renaissance masterpieces. From the iconic Colosseum in Rome to the breathtaking art of Florence, history comes alive in every corner of this enchanting country. Italy's cultural heritage is as diverse as it is fascinating. Whether you're wandering through the cobblestone streets of charming villages or marveling at the grandeur of architectural wonders, you'll find yourself immersed in centuries of history and tradition. Culinary delights. Prepare your taste buds for a culinary journey like no other. Italian cuisine is renowned worldwide for its simplicity, freshness, and bold flavors. From mouth-watering pasta dishes to wood-fired pizzas and creamy gelato, Italy's culinary offerings are a feast for the senses. And let's not forget about the world-class wines that pair perfectly with each meal. Stunning landscapes. Italy's natural beauty is nothing short of breathtaking. From the rugged cliffs of the Amalfi Coast to the vineyard-covered hills of Tuscany, the scenery is as diverse as it is captivating. Whether you're soaking up the sun on a pristine beach or hiking through picturesque countryside, Italy offers endless opportunities for outdoor adventure and exploration. Warm hospitality. Italians are known for their warmth, hospitality, and zest for life. From the moment you arrive, you'll be welcomed with open arms and treated like family. Whether you're chatting with friendly locals over a cappuccino or joining in, let's delve deeper into each of those points. Rich history and culture. Italy boasts a treasure trove of historical landmarks, from ancient Roman ruins like the Colosseum and the Forum, to the architectural wonders of the Renaissance period, such as the Duomo in Florence and St. Mark's Basilica in Venice. Art aficionados will be in paradise with Italy's impressive collection of masterpieces by renowned artists like Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Raphael, found in museums and churches throughout the country. Italy's cultural heritage extends beyond art and architecture to include vibrant festivals, traditional crafts, and regional customs that showcase the diversity of its people. Culinary delights. Italian cuisine is a celebration of fresh, locally sourced ingredients and simple yet flavorful dishes. Each region has its specialties, from the hearty pasta dishes of Emilia-Romagna to the seafood delicacies of Sicily. Food is more than just sustenance in Italy, it's a way of life. Meals are savored slowly, accompanied by good company and lively conversation. Don't miss the chance to participate in a cooking class or food tour to learn the secrets of Italian cuisine from local chefs and producers. Stunning landscapes. Italy's diverse geography offers a myriad of breathtaking landscapes, from the snow-capped peaks of the Alps in the north to the sun-drenched beaches of the Mediterranean in the south. Explore the rolling vineyards of Tuscany, the picturesque lakes of Lombardy, or the dramatic cliffs of the Cinque Terre for unparalleled natural beauty. Outdoor enthusiasts can indulge in activities like hiking, cycling, and sailing while immersing themselves in Italy's stunning scenery. Warm hospitality. Italians are known for their warmth, generosity, and love of la dolce vita, the sweet life. Whether you're staying in a family-run agriturismo or dining at a neighborhood trattoria, you'll be treated like part of the family. Embrace the Italian philosophy of enjoying life's simple pleasures, whether it's sipping espresso at a sidewalk cafe, strolling through a bustling piazza, or savoring a leisurely meal with loved ones. Engage with locals, learn a few key phrases in Italian, and immerse yourself in the vibrant culture and traditions of Italy for an unforgettable travel experience. In essence, Italy offers a perfect blend of history, culture, cuisine, and natural beauty that appeals to all types of travelers. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or